imagine you're a homeowner and they find your site and they fill out a contact form, but it's 7:30 p.m. Instantly, they get a personalized text and email written by AI. Now, the message sounds like it came from you. It thanks them for reaching out, includes a link to book a time on your calendar. And so while you're eating dinner or putting the kids to bed, that lead gets booked for an inspection automatically. Your system adds them to a follow-up sequence, and the AI is already preparing a review request for you after the job's done. This isn't just fantasy. This is exactly how the future is going to play out. This is happening right now with contractors using just simple AI tools. And the only difference between you and them is they've plugged the system in. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that the same way.